Women often say they like a nice guy, someone who's always there, someone who's willing to do anything to make them happy. But we both know how reality works, bro. The guy they can't stop thinking about is usually not the one who's always nice. Why? Because deep down, women are attracted to challenge, mystery, and a bit of unpredictability. Relax. This doesn't mean becoming a bad person. It actually makes you more magnetic. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 traits often seen as toxic, but secretly attractive to women. But remember, use them wisely. Don't overdo it, and don't become manipulative. Ready? Let's get into it. 1. Don't always be available. The more available you are, the less valuable you become. If she can have you anytime, where's the challenge? Women enjoy the feeling of chasing. Scarcity increases value, so don't always be there. Give space and let her start wondering. 2. Be a little hard to get. Women say they don't like guys who are hard to get, but in reality, they get bored when everything is too predictable. A little challenge sets you apart. Not playing games, just not being too easy. 3. Be authentic. Most guys wear a mask to impress women. The problem, women can sense what's fake. You have flaws, own them. You're unique, show it. Real confidence comes from being yourself. 4. Don't be too agreeable. This might sound controversial, but it's real. Women don't respect a guy who always says yes. They say they want someone understanding, but if you always follow them, attraction drops. Attractive men have standards. 5. Don't be afraid to lose her. Nothing turns a woman off faster than a man who's afraid to lose her. If you're too dependent, you look weak, but if you're calm and secure, you look strong. And that's attractive. 6. Focus on your purpose. A man without direction is never attractive. When you focus on your goals, passion, and future, you naturally become more valuable. Women are drawn to men with purpose. 7. Be a challenge. If you always agree, you'll end up in the friend zone. Have your own opinions. Be willing to say no. Challenge creates attraction. 8. Don't be attached to the outcome. Men who don't cling to outcomes are the most attractive. Why? Because they're free, not desperate, not seeking validation. That energy is powerful. 9. Have female friends. This is about social proof. If other women are comfortable around you, she'll naturally feel more attracted. Plus, you won't depend on just one person. 10. Be dominant but relaxed. Women like men who can lead but not aggressively. Be calm, confident, and playful. Strong but fun. That balance makes her feel safe and intrigued at the same time. The key point, bro, these traits are not about manipulation. They're about confidence, independence, self-control. Use them with balance. You don't need to become someone else. Just become the best version of yourself. Because when you have value, you don't chase. They come to you. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.